Basta Soraya?
Getting into the band. Before I go to the band, I will be recording the musical around or sing the melody in the tone of my song. If I even ask my friends to watch the band show the show music was the stage, then Coca came to fail with people. They know most little by little, they all both play following me. I can one time right the real day I did feel this. First time I was curious. I could not get my work and I tried so but I still tried. I just went on but the leaders was very understanding. We fight and waited for the following weekend. He explained how he relates them to detective. So I practiced every day. He told me I was around his home making around noise, but noise and weird sounds. Then how out. The next time I had friends parents everything, but I did not play with because I was still nervous. But not as much as the first one. I told the leaders that I need a bit more time. The first time was a completely different story. I enjoyed it. Then on the Saturday morning, I played in front of the bed and went to the friends. But computer to the band. He listened to me playing. I was just so happy and I was very proud of myself. Then give me the best.